Hi, welcome to Fratello Initech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. So now in this session I am going to explain about after insert trigger. So these after insert trigger automatically executes after a new row inserted into a table. So it is commonly used to maintain audit or log tables and copy inserted data into another table or so use it to track user actions or any history, so send any notifications or update summary data. So these so use it to ensure the data consistency across multiple tables. So these are the real-time applications we are using. So here whenever we are inserting the values into the employee table, so it has to insert into employee audit table. See that already we have one table, so that is employee. So just describe the table. So describe employee. See that ID, name and salary, department. So here we have created that. So now I am creating the employee audit table also. So whenever we are inserting the values into the employee table, so it has to insert automatically into the employee audit table. So create table. Table name I am taking employee audit. I am taking audit ID. So it has to generate automatically by using the auto increment. So I am setting that. So primary key we have to use and use auto increment. So now I am giving the details as we have created in employee table. So ID, integer data type and name, varchar data type. So and so salary I am taking, so new salary, float you have to take that. So department, varchar data type. So if you are taking salary, it is okay. So now audit time also I am adding audit time. So I am taking the timestamp. So default value I am setting that. So timestamp you have to use the date function as a current timestamp. So action type you can take that varchar data type. So just I am creating the employee audit table. So whenever we have inserted the details into the employee table, so automatically added, so it will be automatically added into employee audit table. So zero errors. So now I'm creating the trigger before, sorry, after insert. So delimiter, create trigger name. So you can take any after. So new employees I'm taking. After insert on employee audit. for each row, so begin. So here write the insert query. So insert into, so here you have to take the employee original table. So when we are inserting into employee, so it has to automatically add into employee audit table. Insert into employee audit. So in the audit, so audit ID automatically increase that. So and one more is ID I am taking. So name and salary, department. Then audit time automatically generates. So action type you have to take. So if it is deletion, you can mention that name action type. So values. So here you have to take the new ID, new dot ID. So new dot name, new dot salary, and new dot department. Then action type. So here we are performing after insert trigger. Then I am taking after insert action type. Just close. So begin, end. Then delimiter close. Then select and execute. So we have created the trigger. So that is new employees. See that here. So we have our trigger new employees. So now I'm inserting the values into the employee table. So insert into employee. So employee having some columns like ID, name, salary, and department. So take that ID, name, salary, department. Values. So ID I'm taking 103. So name, salary 50,000. So then department I am taking HR. Just select the query and execute. So got 0 errors. So just retrieve the data from the employee audit table. Select star from employee audit. See that? So audit ID is there, and so automatically generated that. So ID 103, name and salary, department. So audit time, so action type after insert. So when we are inserting the values into the employee table, so automatically so they have to insert into employee audit table. So this is all about after insert. So next we'll discuss the remaining topics in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.